Designing your name badge at namebadge.com is fast and simple by clicking on the Design Now button to take you to the design tool. Choose your size and shape, 1x3, 1.5x3, 2x3, or oval. Choose your background material from white PVC plastic, gold plastic, silver plastic, gold metallic, silver metallic, which has a brushed aluminum finish, or wood grain. Click the border button to decide whether or not you want to frame on your badge. There's gold, rose border, silver border, no border, black border. Choose your fastener from a magnet, swivel clip, military post, pin fastener, pocket clip. Choose whether or not you want to add dome on your badge, which is a clear liquid epoxy that gets poured on top of the badge and dried under UV lights. It gives it a nice clear finish and also added protection. Click on your text to begin with your name. In order to move the name around, you have to click off the name and then drag it to where you want it. Once you click in the name and double click in there, you'll be able to re-edit it. You can change it to bold text. You can change your font. You can change your font size here as well as drag it out from the corner. You have different colors you can choose from. Now, to add another line of text, you would click the add text button. You'll get another line of text. I'm going to put my title and let's give myself a company. I'm going to click add text again. This is a third line of text. I'm going to take line 3 and I'm going to add my website. You can type it in the box or you can type it over here. I'm going to put www.hitwavemusic.com. I'm going to click off the text in order to drag it over here, resize it. You can also resize it from the size tool here. All you need to do is get it in a good position. It does not have to be perfect. All of these are going to be redesigned by professional designers who will make sure that everything is proportioned and symmetrical. So now that I have everything on the badge, I'm going to click add logo. I have a BMW logo here and it has a white background, a white box around it. Now I just want you to read over here. It says white boxes around logos will not be printed on colored backgrounds such as the silver metallic finish. So you don't have to worry about this white background showing up. Let's say I'm going to delete this logo here. I clicked on it, click delete image. I'm going to delete it. I am going to pull up my logo that I have here on my desktop and I am all set. I might want to resize it a little bit over here with the slider, make it a little smaller. And all I need to do is get everything in a decent spot that looks okay. It does not have to be perfect. And now I have my mock-up made and I'm going to click finished designing. The next step is going to be add or edit names, where I will add the names of other employees. I'm going to put the name in spot 1. These are going to correspond with the fields in the order that we created the text box. So the second one is a title, and I'm going to also copy this website and put it on there. So there are 3 lines of text. I'm going to click add another name. You would just continue to do this for all the employees that you have. Every line is going to correspond with the field. When you're all done, you would click finished. Next, we would click I am finished adding names. This is going to take us to our shopping cart, which will reflect our design as well as the names that we have entered in the list. If you need to view your badge, you can go back and view it, or you can go back and edit the badge if you need to change something. Once again, this is just a mock-up. It will be recreated by professional designers who will make sure everything is symmetrical. So you don't need to worry about that. When you're done, click finish designing. I'm finished adding names, and you are back in your shopping cart. If you have a coupon code, you would apply it here. You want to make sure everything looks correct as far as quantities. Let's say I wanted 2 for myself. I would add a quantity there, and as you can see, the price changes accordingly. So I'm going to click checkout, and that's going to take me to create an account if I'm not already a customer, or if I'm already a customer, I can log into an existing account. If you already have an account and have ordered previously, you would want to log in before all this, and you can go pull up your previous designs and add new names so you don't lose anything. Everything will be saved in here from previous orders. You can have multiple designs if you'd like. To put my email address as a new customer, I'm going to create a password, repeat the password, click I'm not a robot, agree to the terms of service, create an account. Now I have an account here. I can always go back to my saved designs here, and I would click order, edit, and I can once again go back to edit the names. Let's say I want to place a second order. I can go in here and edit these, change their names out, and I can place a whole nother order. When I have my shopping cart looking the way I want it, I will click the checkout button, and this is where I will fill out billing address. If the billing address is the same as the shipping address, you would just click this box. If you need things faster, you would select your production time. You would select your shipping method. Just read over this information to know what you're selecting. Use the order comment section for special instructions or questions regarding your order. Fill out your information as requested, click continue, and your order will be placed in the system. And that is how you use the design tool at namebadge.com.